What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andy and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Baba stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news directly related to this asset and the news for the broader market. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that as long as this asset hovers between these two ranges, we were in the middle of nowhere basically, because it was in consolidation phase and we have to see the breakout below the range of support or the range of resistance. And one of my main assumptions was that we have to break this range of support and retest the golden pocket level at about $80 mark. And I have to say that it broke it to the downside, and for now we are exactly at this spot, even a little bit lower. And what was the reason of this quite substantial price action to the downside for about 6% in a matter of just several sessions, I will show you in a minute. So let's start with the news itself. If you type in Google search bar Baba stock and switch to new stuff folder, you will not find any recent news directly related to Baba that could drive for the price of this asset either way. Alibaba is investing in AI startup along with the other major Chinese companies, and none of this news cannot drive the price of this asset higher, because fundamentally it is not so important for the company. What is more importantly for now is the bigger picture for this asset, and it is the news for the entire market. And let me show you that as you can see on the heat map of S&P 500, we are deeply in red, and this means the entire market also moves south. And let me show you that if I add SPY index right here, you can see that this asset, Baba stock, is mimicking its price action, and that is why, let me switch to white color of this line. And without major news for Baba itself, it is mimicking the price action of entire market. And we don't have a lot of bullish news for Chinese market. We have quite bearish news from Foxconn. As you can see, we are on snbc.com, and here is the article that was published just yesterday, and it's titled "Apple supplier Foxconn says it will cooperate with Chinese authorities on tax land use investigations." Foxconn said it will cooperate with Chinese authorities on tax and land use inspections. Legal compliance everywhere we operate around the world is a fundamental principle of Honhai Technology Group. We will actively cooperate with the relevant units on the related work and operations, the company said in a statement on Sunday. A media report on Sunday said the Chinese government has launched checks on Honhai subsidiaries across China. And the reason for these actions is political reasons. Let me show you right here. Foxconn, a major supplier of Apple iPhones, is facing a tax probe in China. Two sources close to Foxconn confirmed on Monday, saying they believed it was disclosed by a state-backed paper for political reasons tied to Taiwan's upcoming elections. And we know that Chinese Communist Party has very strict rules regarding Taiwan and the relationships in between companies from Taiwan and from mainland of China. And they have basically an unlimited power. I mean, Chinese Communist Party has an unlimited power, and they can do everything on the market. And when this quite huge manufacturer from China has some problems with CCP, definitely it might affect other major Chinese companies, and Baba is one of them. So, and let me show you the list of Baba's institutional investors. We have several recent filings, and I have to say that the sentiment is not so bullish. A lot of companies, some companies closed their long position. Some companies rebalanced their position, but the sentiment is cautiously bearish. And that is why, and guys, let me remind you that we have, in this list, we have a delay of at least 45 days. This means the execution date of these deals are the dates about 45 days prior this date. And that is why we have to be cautious with this catalyst, so-called catalyst. But in general, it shows the sentiment for this asset. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, I don't need SPY index anymore, and let me zoom out a little bit. Let me show you, let's first of all switch to 4 hours time frame, and let me show you its recent price action in details. So, as you can see, from this bottom, we completed 5-wave structure, and if my breakdown is correct, in order to remain bullish, we shouldn't break the range of about $78. If it breaks it to the downside, this means this was not the movement to the upside. Potentially, it was a failed wave, and we have to retest lower prices. Some of them are at the ranges of about $72. And as you can see, this range is defined by this tool. It is a fib retracement tool if I pull it from the bottom of the wave to the top of the wave. And we have not more than 30% probability to see a trend reversal out of this range, because if it breaks even this level of $72, most likely it will retest its lowest point at about $58.5. And this is the double bottom pattern. If I switch to weekly time frame and zoom out, you can see that this asset hit exactly the same range back in September of 2015. Then it hit it in January of 2016, and this lowest point is also quite similar price action with these 2 points. And this means if this asset breaks this bottom, it will be an extremely bearish sign for the shareholders. And as for me, I don't think that it can break it, at least within the first attempt. But in general, we still have this bearish case on the table. So, and what should we expect next on upcoming week? I have to say that we have to see some kind of retracement, because from this top we don't have any major retracements that might unload the indicators. That's why we might see some kind of movement to the upside, but I don't think that we might have a trend reversal from this level. And the main reason why I think so is the total sentiment of the market, and the sentiment is quite bearish. That is why we have to be very cautious with any of our positions, and that is why just wait for more confirmation from the bull side, and this confirmation should be some kind of movement to the upside that will form higher and higher lows, and that will break at least several of its previous swing highs. Yes, it will reduce your upside potential, but it also reduces your risks. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star.